premium Snapchat marketing tools and services to consider. Ghost Codes. Ghost Codes is an amazing tool. With Ghost Codes, you can discover the right people to follow on your Snapchat. Right now on Snapchat, to follow more people, you need to know their usernames or get their code. With Ghost Codes, that problem is solved. With this tool, you can create a profile by adding your interests in the categories where you have options like inspirational, brands, business, etc. You register by adding things about your business Snapchat, and this app will search to find people that have interests like yours. This is a free app. With this, you can also find customers or great brands to use creative ideas for your Snapchat account. Peak. Snapchat has become a content platform. This means that people create posts on Snapchat to make money. With Peak, you can find the most popular Snapchatters and find the content you want in the Explore page. The thing on Snapchat is that you can watch a story only once, and sometimes 24 hours is not enough time to see all the stories you want. With Peak, Snapchat stories never expire, allowing you to find it, share it, follow your favorite Snapchatters, and see all the stories you want with Peak for free. Casper. This tool is an alternative Android client for Snapchat. With this tool, you can save your snaps and send snaps from your gallery. Casper has the option of slide filters. Slide filters are similar to geo filters, but you create them by yourself and load them into the media editor. Attachable lens. Most phones have fantastic cameras, but with an attachable lens, you can take even more professional-looking pictures or videos. Its features, especially the fisheye, is more comfortable to use, but there are more options. Buy one if you think your camera isn't good enough or if you want a more professional Snapchat account. Selfie stick. Pictures taken with a selfie stick are just better. The selfie stick allows you to take group photos. You don't have to ask any people around to take a picture of you, and you don't need a tripod. Cell phone tripod adapter mount. Having a tripod for your phone will help you get videos or professional pictures. If you want to talk to your fans on Snapchat about what you're doing or preparing for your brand, you can also do so by yourself with a cell phone tripod adapter mount. You don't need someone else to use your phone for you.